In this video, we will demonstrate how to add the element at risk. An element at risk could be building footprints, land parcels, linear features like rails, roads, or point features like schools. There are 4 steps for uploading the element at risk. In the first step, you need to upload the file, which can be done in 3 different ways. In File Upload section, you have to upload a zipped shapefile layer stored in the computer. Second one is the OGC service, where you can upload the EaR layers as web maps from GeoServers. The third one is the database connection, where you can connect to a local database containing shapefiles of the desired element at risk. In this demonstration, let's use the File Upload option, and we will use a file with building footprints. Please remember that while uploading, along with the extension of .shp, the file should also contain all the other extensions. And for that, we need to zip it in a folder. Once selected, click Continue for the next step. In the metadata step, we need to first assign a unique name for your layer. Then select the element at risk type, which is building footprints in this case. Other information have been set to default for now. Then click on the Continue button. The time it takes to upload the data depends on its size. Once it has been uploaded, we can view, edit, and delete the element at risk layer from this list below. If we click on the View tab, we can see the building footprints of our study area. The third step is the column connection, where we select the attribute of element at risk so that it can be linked to vulnerability. For example, in this case, the final CL column name represents the construction type of building footprints. So we will be connecting vulnerability values for each construction type in the following step. Then, if we want to quantify the element at risk in terms of monetary values, then we can select the column which has that information. Then here you can select the unit in different currencies. If you want to quantify the element at risk in terms of population, we have to select the column that has population information and select the population unit, which could be nighttime, daytime, or total population. In this way, we can quantify the EaR in terms of monetary values, population, or any other attributes. Then click on the Continue button for the final step. We can see that final CL column has 10 building construction type classes. Now we will link the vulnerability curves of each class with respect to flash flood. So assign flash flood as hazard type. The intensity is in terms of height. The vulnerability type as physical. If the information of the source and the region is known, then you can select it from the drop-down menu. Then each building type has to be linked with the appropriate vulnerability curve. Remember that before uploading the element at risk, these vulnerability curves should have already been uploaded. Once the vulnerability curves are linked to each building construction type classes, we can click on the Finish button. This is how we can upload the element at risk data in the form of polygon, point features, or line features.